Good morning, children. So in the previous class, how many sums we have completed? First Roman, second Roman completed in exercise 2.5. Now write the third Roman, children. Factorize the following using appropriate identities. So you have to factorize the following using appropriate identities. What is given here? First one, 16x square plus 24xy plus 9y square. 16x square plus 24xy plus 9y square is given. So how can you write this one, children? 16x square can be written as 4x whole square. Can you write like that? 4 square means 16 x square. So 16 x square, 4x whole square. Okay. Next, this 24 can be, this 9 can be written as 3 square. Okay. So 3y whole square. This 9y square can be written as 3y whole square. Why? Because 3 square means 9y square. 9y square. Okay. Next, 24x square. How can you write? We know that formula. What is that formula? A square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay. So a square b square plus 2ab. 2 into a. What is a here? 4x. 4x into b. What is b here? 3y. Okay. 2ab. Now got it 2, 4, 8, 8, 3 is 24 xy. Is it clear? Okay. Now it is in the form of a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay. So compare this. Compare the given expression with a square plus so 4x square plus 2 into 4x into 3y plus 3y whole square. It is in the form of a square plus 2ab plus b square. Compare the expression with a square plus 2ab plus b square is equal to, what is the formula? Yes, a plus b whole square. So now here a equal to, what is a? 4x, and b is equal to, what is b? 3y. Okay. Now therefore 4x whole square plus 2 into 4x into 3y plus 3y whole square is equal to a plus b. What is a here? 4x plus b, 3y whole square. So what are the factors now? 4x plus 3y into 4x plus 3y. So these are the factors of this expression. Did you understand, children? Okay, what is given expression, children? 16x square plus 24xy plus 9y square is given. So this expression can be written as like this. How? 16x square can be written as 4x whole square. 4 square means 16x square. 16x square. Okay, can you write like that? Plus 9y square. How can you write? 3y whole square. That means 3 square means 9y square. Okay. Now plus 2 into ab. 2 into, what is a? 4x. b, what is b? 3y. Now multiply it. 2, 4, 8, 8, 3 is 24, x into y, 24xy. Okay. Now compare the given expression with this identity. Which identity? A square plus 2ab plus b square is equal to, what is the formula? A plus b whole square. Here what is a? 4x, and what is b? 3y. Okay, so 4x whole square plus 2 into 4x into 3y plus 3y whole square is equal to A plus B whole square. What is A? 4x plus B is 3y whole square. So 4x plus 3y whole square. So 4x plus 3y, how can you write? You can write 2 times. So 4x plus 3y into 4x plus 3y. These are the factors for this given expression. Okay, ma'am? Did you understand? Now see the second question, 4y square minus 4y plus 1. So how can you do this one? Four y square minus 4y plus 1. How can you do this one? 4y square, how can you write? 2y whole square. Can you write like that? Yes, 2 square means 4, y square, 4y square. Minus, here plus 1 is there. Plus 1, how can you write? 1 square. 1 square means 1 only, no. Next, 2 into a. What is there here? 2y. Into b. What is b? 1. Okay. So now it is in the form of a square minus 2ab plus b square. What is that formula? A minus b whole square formula, no. So what is a here? 2y, b is 1. That means 2y minus 1 whole square. Okay. Can you do homework? Already I explained, no? Do the homework. Next one. 4x square minus y square by 25 given. Third one. So how can you write 4x square? 2x whole square. Can you write like that? Yes, 2 square means 4x square. Okay. Minus y square by 24. How can you write this one? Y by 5 whole square. Can you write like that? Yes, y square means y square, 5 square means 25. Okay. So y by 5 whole square. Now it is in the form of a square minus b square. It is in the form of a square minus b square. Okay. So what is the formula a square minus b square formula? A plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b. What is a? 2x. Plus what is b? Y by 5. Okay, a 2x minus b means y by 5. So 2x plus y by 5 into 2x minus y by 5. Okay, ma? Like that you can do. Next, now fourth sum, right? (18a square minus 50). 18a square minus 50 given. How can you write this one, children? 18a square minus 50. 2 into 9a square minus 25. Why? Because I am taking 2 common here. 2 9 18. 2 25 50. Okay? I am writing like this. Why? Because 18 has no square, 50 has no square. That's why I am taking common number as 2. Okay? 2 as common, 9a square minus 25. Otherwise, we should write like this. 2 into 9a square minus 2 into 25. Okay, now take 2 as common. 9a square minus 25. Okay, now 2 into 9a square. How can you write 9a square? 3a whole square. Okay, minus 25. How can you write? 5 square. Okay, so 3a whole square minus 25 can be written as 5 whole square. Now it is in the form of a square minus b square. So 2 into a square minus b square formula. What is that formula? A plus b into a minus b. So you can compare the given expression with a square minus b square. What is the formula? A plus b into a minus b. Okay. Now here A is equal to what is A? 3A. B is equal to what is B? 5. Okay, now compare. So 2 into 3A whole square minus 5 whole square is equal to 2 into A square minus B square. How can you write A plus B into A minus B? What is A? 3A plus B 5 into 3A minus 5. Okay? These are the factors of this given expression. Okay, ma'am? Right. Next, fifth subthema. X square plus 5x plus 6. X square plus 5x plus 6. So you can factorize this one. How can you factorize this one, children? Already I told. You have to multiple here. What is the number? There is no number means it is 1. 1 into 6. How much? 6. Write the factors for 6. 1 into 6. 2 into 3. 3 into 2. 6 into 1. Okay. So here 5x. 5x. That means which one you should take? You should take any one. 2 plus 3 or 3 plus 2, any one. Okay. So x square plus 2x. This 5x can be written as 2x plus 3x plus 6. Okay. So 2 plus 3, 5x. Okay. So x square plus 2x plus 3x plus 6. Now first two factors, two terms you should take as x as common. So x plus here 2. Now here you can take 3 as common. Here what is the number? Variable is remaining x plus here 6 is there. In the 3 table how many times x? 2 times. 3 to 6. Okay. Now x plus 2 take as common. What is the remaining? X plus 3. So these are the factors of x plus 2 and x plus 3. Okay. Right. Children, fourth question. Expand each of the following using suitable identities. So you have to expand this one. X plus 2y plus 4z whole square. So x plus 2y plus 4z whole square. Which identity you have to compare this one? Compare the given expression with which identity? It is in the form of x plus y plus z whole square. Okay. With x plus y plus z whole square. Okay. What is the formula? X plus y plus z whole square is equal to x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. Okay, x plus y plus z square formula is x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. Now, therefore, here x is equal to what is x? X only. And y is equal to what is y? 2y. Z is equal to what is that? 4z. Okay, you can substitute in this formula. So therefore, x plus 2y plus 4z whole square is equal to x square. What is x means? X only. X square plus y square. Y means 2y whole square plus z square. What is that? 4z whole square plus 2xy. 2 into x. What is x? X only. Into y. What is y? 2y. Plus 2yz. 2 into y means 2y. Z. Z means 4z. Into plus 2 into zx. 4z. Into x means x only. Okay. So x square plus 2y whole square means how much? 4y square plus 4z whole square means 4 square means 16z square plus 2 2's 4 x into y 4xy plus 2 2's 4 4 4 16 yz plus 2 4 8 8 into zx zx 8 zx. Okay children, did you understand? Okay, right.